Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Madinah Arabic and to the most commonly used Arabic vocabulary. In today's vocab list, we will learn the most frequent words related to people in different ages.
Madinah Arabic, your portal to learn Arabic.
ولد, a kid or a boy. أولاد, kids or boys. بنت, a girl. بنات, girls. طفل, a male child or a baby. طفلة, a female child. أطفال, children. رضيع, an infant. رضيعة, a female infant. رضع, infants. مراهق, a teenager. مراهقة, a female teenager. مراهقون, male teenagers. مراهقات, female teenagers. فتى أو شاب, a young man. فتيان أو شباب, young men. فتاة أو شابة, a young woman. فتيات أو شابات, young women. رجل, a man. رجال, men. امرأة, a woman. But when we add the definite article it becomes المرأة, the woman. نساء, woman. شخص, a person. ذكر, male. ذكور أو ذكران, males. أنثى, female. إناث, females. مسن, old aged. مسنون, old aged for plural masculine. عجوز, old aged for female. عجائز, old aged for plural feminine. الإنسان, human being. السيد, sir. السادة, sirs. السيدة, lady. السيدات, ladies. آنسة, young lady. آنسات أو أوانس, young ladies. By this we come to the end of our list of today. In the next video of this series we will learn the vocab list related to family members. Goodbye. Assalamu alaikum. I hope you like this video. If so, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and hit the notification bell to receive about any new video we upload. Sign up today and get your free one-to-one trial lesson with one of our male and female native Arabic tutors at Madinah Arabic Tuition Center. No credit card required.